My name's Tara, and today I'm going to show you how to do this tie-dye nail art with gel polish. First, I'm starting with the white nail. You can use any color. I'm doing 5 colors. You can do as many as you want, but I'm doing 5. I'm going to apply my colors with my dotting tools, which I have laid out here. I'm starting off by making a center in the middle. I'm doing a bullseye, and then I'm going around my bullseye with my different colors that I chose. Basically, you do want to move kind of fast just because gel polish moves, as we all know, and the colors could expand a little bit into each other, but that's okay whenever it is tie-dye. It has a cool effect to it if it does start to run even a little bit more. But this video is sped up. It took me about 5 minutes to go around the nail completely, so you are going to be moving slower than you see here. And then I went through and popped some of the air bubbles. If you have too much gel polish, you will get these little pockets where it looks like a bubble. So you can just go ahead and work those out. Next, I'm taking my brush and I'm swiping it from the middle to the ends. And then once I have that complete, I'm going to go back in with my brush and I am swiping it from the ends into the middle, but I'm not going all the way into the center of the pink. I'm going to do this one time in a slow motion so you can see what I mean. There we go. So each time that I swiped, I took my brush after each swipe and I wiped it on my tissue, because if you don't wipe it, you're gonna end up smearing all of your colors and they are going to look muddy. You can also wipe your brush by pinching the brush in the tissue. Any way works as long as you're getting everything off. For my second design, I'm using a neutral as a base color. So for this, I'm just gonna do in the corner, and I'm making like a rainbow from the corner of my nail, and I'm layering the colors the same way as I did in the first design with my dotting tool, and I'm just taking it and going up to the center of the nail. It's kind of like the first time whenever you wanna work quickly, because the colors will definitely run. The only difference is I'm not covering the entire nail. But I am doing that swiping again. I'm swiping out from the middle now, which is my blue point in the corner, and then I'm going back into the center. I am swiping it a little bit more for a different effect, and I'm going all the way in, but that's just preference. You can make your tie-dye look however you want. Let me know which design you liked better, or which design you want to try out, the first design or the second design that I showed. If you learned a new technique, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button on my channel so you don't miss any of my nail videos. Thank you for watching.